स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयं नवमकक्षायाः सूक्तिमौक्तिकम् इति पाठं पठामः। सूक्तीनां मौक्तिकं सूक्तिमौक्तिकं सु उक्तिः सूक्तिः भवति, तस्य मौक्तिकं नाम माला वर्तते। अद्य पञ्चममालां पश्यामः, पंचमं श्लोकं पठामः। Before I start this shloka, I would like to ask you one thing. So, there are two options in front of you. There are two cars in front of you. One is Audi, another one is Alto. Audi is there, Alto is there. Which car all of you will choose? Will you choose Audi or Alto? Most of you probably will choose the Audi. Now, both drivers will come. The Audi driver will come and Alto driver will come. Now, both the drivers are there. The Alto driver is a perfect driver. He takes you always to your destination correctly. He has completed thousands of his trips. Whereas Audi driver is there. He is very famous for accidents. In his history tells that he has more than 10 accidents with him. Now, my dear boys, you tell me which car you will choose. Now, most of you are coming back to Alto because travel is important. Understood? Nobody wants to take the risk, is it? Like this. This is the shloka which is going to tell us what is important. One more, mainly you might have seen in one of the advertisements. Generally, there will be two barbers cutting in the same shop. One is looking very handsome. He has a very nice haircut. Whereas another fellow doesn't have so good. Whom do you go? You will feel that he is a smart fellow, but you have to go to the another fellow because for him that fellow has done, whereas another fellow this smart fellow has done, is it? So that means quality is important, not the appearance, is it? So appearance, don't judge the book by its cover. Don't judge the book by its cover. You can understand from this Subhashita. Guneshveva hi kartavyaha. Guneshveva hi kartavyaha prayatnaha purushai sadha. Guneshveva hi kartavyaha prayatnaha purushai sadha. Gunayukto daridropi नेश्वरैरगुणैः समः. गुणयुक्तो दरिद्रोपि नेश्वरैरगुणैः समः. पुनरेकवारं पठामि. गुणेष्वेव हि कर्तव्यः प्रयत्नः पुरुषैः सदा. गुणयुक्तो दरिद्रोपि नेश्वरैरगुणैः समः. गुणेष्वेव हि कर्तव्यः. Always put your efforts. प्रयत्नः भवतः प्रयत्नः पश्यन्तु. पुरुषैः सदा गुणेषु एव हि प्रयत्नः कर्तव्यः. By men, by the people, by you, always try to get the good qualities. You should learn, you should focus to imbibe the qualities. Sarvada, always learn something good. That is told, no? Everybody has something good in him. Look at the good thing and learn it. Guneshvevahi kartavyaha. Always your efforts should be there to learn the good qualities, grasp the qualities in others. Gunayuktaha daridrope. Even if you have the qualities, even though you are poor, Neshwaraihi, without qualities, Neshwaraihi agunais samaha, na Ishwaraihi, even though he is very wealthy, if he doesn't have the qualities, he is not equal to the poor one who has got qualities. The person who has got very rich, the person who is very rich doesn't have the qualities. He is never equal to the person who is having qualities but poor. That means if a very rich person is there and he is a miser, every day he eats biryani, but he never gives to other. Whereas a poor fellow is there, every poor fellow, he is eating only upma, but he serves for us. Who is good? Understood? That is very, very important. So you must have the qualities in you. Guneshvevahi kartavyaha. Anvaya is that Purushaihi sada guneshu eva hi prayatnaha kartavyaha. Purushaihi sada guneshu eva hi prayatnaha kartavyaha. Gunayuktaha daridraha api ishwaraihi agunaihi samaha na bhavati. Ishwaraihi agunaha gunayuktaha daridraha api samaha na bhavati. People should always try to imbibe the good qualities. Always should try. A man with very richness without the qualities is not equal to the person who is poor with the qualities. The person who is poor but having the rich qualities, he is greater than the man rich who is not having qualities. Spashtamasti? Punarekavaram pathamah. Guneshvevahi kartavyaha prayatnaha purushais sada gunayukto daridropi neshwaraihi agunais samaha. This shloka is taken from Mruchakatikam. Mruchakatikam is the most famous drama in the Sanskrit. If you find Mruchakatikam, it is about the black cart. It is even translated into English. If you can get the version, you can read it. You will enjoy a lot. Understood? Atra guneshvevahi kartavyaha. Always try to imbibe the qualities. Prayatnaha purushais sada. Efforts by the people. Gunayukto daridropi. One who has the qualities even though he is poor. Neshwarai ragunais samaha. With all the pleasures, with all the properties. Agunaihi, without the quality, he is not equivalent to the poor. Now we will see sandhis. Guneshveva sandhayaha. गुणेष्वेवा इति अस्ति. तर्हि किं भवति? गुणेषु अधिकम् एव. कः सन्धिः? उ अधिकम् ए वा यण् सन्धिः. कः सन्धिः? यण् सन्धिः भवति. कर्तव्यः प्रयत्नः. कर्तव्यः प्रयत्नः विसर्ग सन्धिः. पुरुषैः सदा पुरुषैः सदा इति भवति। गुणयुक्तो गुणयुक्तः इति भवति। दरिद्रोपि दरिद्रोपि कथं भवति? दरिद्रः अधिकम् अपि दरिद्रः अधिकम् अपि दरिद्रोपि। नेश्वरैः नेश्वरैरगुणैः इति अस्ति। न अधिकम् ईश्वरैः अधिकम् अगुणैः। नेश्वरैः अगुणैः न ईश्वरैः नेश्वरैः। महाधिकम् ईशः महेशः गुणसन्धिः। ईश्वरैः अगुणैः ईश्वरैरगुणैः विसर्गस्य स्थाने रेफस्य आगमः। अत्र गुणसन्धिः अत्र विसर्गसन्धिः भवति। एवं पुनरेकवारं वदामि। गुणेष्वेव हि कर्तव्यः प्रयत्नः पुरुषैः सदा गुणयुक्तो दरिद्रोपि नेश्वरैः अगुणैः समः। गुणः अगुणः गुणः इत्यस्य विलोमपदम् अगुणः। पुरुषः नाम मानवः मनुष्यः मर्त्यः। दरिद्रः निर्धनः धनहीनः। एवं दरिद्रः इत्यस्य विलोमपदम् ईश्वरः इति भवति। गुणेष्वेव हि कर्तव्यः प्रयत्नः पुरुषैः सदा गुणयुक्तो दरिद्रोपि नेश्वरैरगुणैः समः। स्पष्टतया पठन्तु पुनरेकवारं। गुणेष्वेव हि कर्तव्यः प्रयत्नः पुरुषैः सदा गुणयुक्तो दरिद्रोपि नेश्वरैरगुणैः समः। सन्धयः एवं वर्तन्ते। गुणेष्वेव गुणेषु अधिकम् एव उ अधिकम् ए अत्र व भवति यण् संधिः। दरिद्रोपि दरिद्रः अधिकम् अपि दरिद्रोपि पूर्वरूपसन्धिः भवति। नेश्वरैरगुणैः न अधिकम् ईश्वरैः नेश्वरैः गुणसन्धिः। ईश्वरैः अधिकम् अगुणैः नेश्वरैरगुणैः अत्र विसर्गसन्धिः। विसर्गस्य रेफः सम्पाद्यते। एवं एषः मृच्छकटिकम् इति नाटकात् स्वीकृतं सुभाषितं वर्तते। एषा सूक्तिः मानवं सर्वदा गुणेषु एव प्रयत्नः कर्तव्यः इति बोधयति। अस्माभिः सर्वदा गुणाः एव द्रष्टव्याः इति अस्य भावः भवति। भवतु शुभदिनं भवतु अनुदिनं। धन्यवादाः।